Hello fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of versatile home workouts with the Adjustable Dumbbell Set, a 4-in-1 multifunctional marvel designed for both men and women. This innovative set transforms into a barbell, kettlebell, and push-up rack, offering 4 modes of use to support a wide range of exercises like deep squats, push-ups, and curls, making it perfect for home strength training and muscle toning. With removable dumbbell plates totaling 42 pounds, including 4 by 2.5 pounds, 4 by 3.5 pounds, and 4 by 4.5 pounds, this set is ideal for beginners and allows you to easily adjust the intensity of your workouts as you progress. The ergonomic anti-slip design features a grooved texture on the dumbbell bar, enhancing grip and comfort, while the thickened foam connecting bar ensures a comfortable fit on your shoulders. This comprehensive set includes everything you need: dumbbell plates, bars, kettlebell handles, a base, and a connecting bar, all crafted to meet your basic training needs. And remember, if you have any questions or concerns, their dedicated after-sales service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours on working days. Get ready to elevate your home workout experience with this all-in-one adjustable dumbbell set. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.